Hi, my name is Lindsey Collins,
I'm Dicioccio.
and today we're going to be talking about our design to presentation that we've been working on for the past few weeks. So, what Jeep and I decided to do was come up with a catalog for vinyl and records, and we decided to do this mostly just because both of us really enjoy music, and we wanted to make something that we'd both like genuinely enjoy doing, and that's kind of how this started. So we couldn't think of a theme right off the bat, and that's because we weren't looking at our audience. So we created an audience and then went from there. So our audience focuses on pre, post, and during age college students. So basically like the 17 to like 23, 24 kind of age group. And the reason we decided to pick that was primarily because we fit into that category of that audience. So we thought that we would be able to tap into the choices and the preferences and the aesthetic choices of people in that age range. So Jeep is going to talk a little bit about the inspiration now.
So, to begin, obviously there's a huge similarity between this portion of our inspiration portfolio and the cover to our catalog. I really enjoy the symbolism in this design that you're seeing now. It's called Night Streets. Just that symbolism of the kind of single light, or in this case, a few lights, lighting a darkened path would kind of signify, unity and hope for the future. And that's something that we wanted to incorporate not only in our message in our catalog, but as a record store in this scenario. Next, we chose a design. It is an Ignite. Looks like a pamphlet. Maybe just kind of introducing meeting date, but we really enjoyed the sleek design of this and the limited color palette that it offered, and we wanted to kind of reflect that in our design as well. So we chose to base kind of our color palette on what we decided to do and based on our inspiration portfolio. So our next inspiration piece would be this design, and again, same type of limited color palette being used. I enjoy the single profile piece. It draws a lot of attention. It's in the middle, and it has, for the most part, a lot of symmetrical balance, and that is also something that we wanted to reflect in our designs as well. As you could see with the album covers, the way that they're laid out on the pages, symmetrical balance is definitely something that is important to us as designers, and we wanted to reflect that in our work as well.
So one of the other things that we really wanted to focus on and base it on our audience was the type of albums we chose and also the genres we chose. So you can see that we chose rock, hip hop and rap, EDM, and alternative. Now, we each chose two genres that we both really liked and then went through and tried to find some of the more popular 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 albums within that genre, purely because we both enjoyed each of these kinds of genres and we thought that it would fit into our audience profile. And also, there's a really wide array. It's not just focused primarily on one type of music,
Right.
which is what we went for, trying to find different genres to focus on all parts of that audience profile, not just focusing on one part of it. So there's that.
Yeah, I feel like diversity in that case was the best way we were going to get, to reach as much of an audience as we could, just using diverse music and offering a little bit of something for everyone. Lastly, the How to Order page was greatly influenced by this concept of the digital era and how we are now ordering and shipping music, basically. It's much more simple than the old school catalogs where you had to rip out an order form, submit it, mail it, and hopefully it makes it there. But now you can just simply order online. You can pay with your phone. You can pay with a one-tap credit card. I mean, the possibilities are endless right now. So that definitely was reflected in our work, and that was an important point that we made sure to add in our catalog.
And so that pretty much wraps it up. We wanted to focus this project on our audience because that's how you make a design successful, and we had a lot of fun working through this. So,
I agree.
thank you.